So draw your attention to your breath and focus your breath on the chest area, the heart center. Sometimes it helps to actually place a hand on the heart to do this, but it's not necessary again. So you're breathing in and out of your heart center. Maybe slowing down your breath pace to a little longer than you would normally do. Just keeping it flowing so you're not pausing at any point. You're just flowing in with the breath and out with the breath. A little bit slower, a little deeper into the heart center. Now make a sincere attempt to activate a feeling of compassion for someone or something in your life. It could be a person. It could be a place. It could be a memory. It could even be something as simple as the sunshine. Now, from this place of compassion, radiate that compassion to yourself. Radiate that feeling that you just activated to yourself.